Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Nicole Heininger with interior design studio EST Collective. In today's video, I am taking you up to the roof deck of the Restoration Hardware Melrose Gallery in West Hollywood, California, where patrons are greeted not only by the allure of furnishings, but also panoramic vistas of the iconic Hollywood Hills. As always, we will begin the video by giving you a quick tour of the space and conclude by selecting my top 5 pieces from the space to make the EST list. All right, let's go inside and take a look around. Walking up these beautiful concrete steps to the 3rd floor roof deck, you are immediately greeted with a panoramic vista of the Hollywood Hills and transported into the realms of aesthetic inspiration and luxury. Here, amidst the urban bustle, lies an oasis on the rooftop, a sanctuary where nature intertwines with design brilliance. The expansive deck serves as a canvas for showcasing Restoration Hardware's array of outdoor furniture, inviting guests to immerse themselves in a symphony of comfort and style. With every glance, the Hollywood Hills provide a breathtaking backdrop, enhancing the allure of each crafted piece and offering a glimpse into the quintessential California lifestyle. Set in the heart of West Hollywood's design district, a few blocks from the Pacific Design Center, this gallery on Melrose transcends mere retail, curating an experience where beauty, functionality, and the allure of nature converge seamlessly. This 10,000 square foot rooftop garden is adorned with a grove of heritage olive trees, each of which had to be craned onto the roof. The landscaping also features a blend of gravel, a bluestone promenade, boxwood hedges and topiaries, alongside lanterns and fire pits. It's a consistent theme in our design notes, but this space serves as yet another example of the pivotal role plants play in enhancing the overall ambiance of a space. They are paramount in transforming this roof into this exceptional garden oasis. The collections in this open-air showroom are arranged into vignettes, each tucked away around another corner. Exploring this space is a delight as you can appreciate its expansive footprint while also experiencing each area more intimately as you wander and explore. The layout is brilliant, allowing you to fully immerse yourself outdoors and engage with the furniture firsthand in an outdoor setting. I love this metal gazebo feature. Enveloped in vines and outdoor drapes, it just radiates romance. Restoration Hardware prides itself on crafting outdoor furniture that stands the test of time, with much of its collection constructed from durable teak wood. Renowned for its natural beauty and exceptional resilience to outdoor elements, teak furniture offers both timeless elegance and long-lasting durability. Complementing the sturdy framework, many pieces feature removable outdoor cushions, adding a layer of comfort and versatility to the design. These cushions are specifically engineered to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, featuring weather-resistant fabrics that maintain their beauty, even after prolonged exposure to sunlight and moisture. As someone who simply loves symmetry, I find the layout of this space particularly appealing. Just envision the breathtaking atmosphere this space exudes at sunset or at night. With all the fire pits aglow and the city skyline in the backdrop, those hills are truly iconic, and the combination of lighting, plants, and furniture is simply magical. Through this beautiful black steel atrium, one can catch a glimpse back into the elegant showroom interior, where the walls are adorned with a great collection of mirrors and art lighting. My favorite feature of this deck has always been this exceptionally long and dramatic reclaimed wood table adorned with hundreds of candles. It's anchored by this vintage 10-foot-high replica of the Louvre's Winged Victory, serving as an artistic homage to the City of Angels. It oversees the Hollywood Hills to the north and the designer shops of Melrose below. Now that we've explored the roof deck, it's time for me to select my top 5 pieces from the outdoor collection to make the EST list. Coming in at number 1 is the Marbella Outdoor Collection. If you're seeking pieces with a more rectilinear aesthetic, the Marbella collection is the perfect choice. Boasting clean lines and contemporary design elements, Marbella effortlessly blends modern design with enduring quality. With its versatile configurations and weather-resistant finishes, this collection elevates any outdoor space into a sanctuary of style and comfort, inviting you to indulge in the ultimate outdoor living experience. Coming in at number 2 is the Matira collection. This outdoor ensemble masterfully reinterprets mid-century forms with a celebration of contemporary proportions and architectural detail. The tripod silhouette of the chairs is distinguished by the gentle curvature of the back and a split plain leg with a slender aperture that invites the light. The table silhouettes are distinguished by the same split plain leg detail. With sleek lines and refined craftsmanship, each piece exudes modern sophistication while honoring the timeless elegance of mid-century design. Coming in at number 3 is the Bondi Outdoor Collection. Bondi is another collection by Harrison and Nicholas Condos, combining contemporary indoor furniture's soft, elegant curves with sustainably harvested premium solid teak's durability. Featuring quick-dry reticulated foam technology, the chairs offer supportive comfort with fully upholstered bolsters and removable seat cushions. Sectional components are customizable and the tables masterfully crafted with a ribbed foundation add architectural interest to outdoor spaces. Coming in at number 4 is the Balmain Outdoor Collection. Drawing inspiration from the iconic arc of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, Balmain embodies a modern, minimalist aesthetic. Yet another collection crafted by Australians Harrison and Nicholas Condos, showcasing simplicity and finely tuned proportions. Each piece is masterfully handcrafted from solid teak and available in aluminum, exemplifying timeless elegance and exceptional craftsmanship. Rounding out the list at number 5 is the Santos Outdoor Collection. Designed by Spanish designer Mario Ruiz, the Santos collection is a streamlined and harmoniously composed set. The chairs are generous in proportion and rigorous in profile. Boasting a modular frame, they make a contemporary statement with bold upholstered cushions. The tables in this collection feature sleek frames with slender channels, offering rich texture and dimension, ensuring both comfort and modern elegance in outdoor spaces. And that wraps up our tour of this beautiful space. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this in the future. Your support means the world to me and helps us continue exploring amazing places. From all of us here at EST Collective, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next tour.